How is a TV pilot script different from a feature film screenplay? And how do you format it correctly? The short answer is that the basic formatting stays the same. The scene headings, action lines, dialogue, all are written exactly like a film script. But a TV pilot includes just a few extra elements that help producers and networks understand how the show works as a series. So at the very top of the title page, you can include a subtitle like Pilot Episode or Episode 1 New Beginning. And that makes it clear that this is part of a series. Inside the script, TV pilots are usually divided into acts, depending on the style of the show. For example, network comedies and dramas often have commercial breaks, so they are written in sections like End of Act 1 or Act 2. Streaming and cable shows often skip this because they don't really have ad breaks, but it's still useful if you are structuring story beats that way. If your pilot has a teaser or a cold open, then you can label it before the first scene. For example, teaser, then later mark end of teaser, followed by Act 1. And that gives the readers a sense of rhythm and pacing. Your formatting for scenes, action, and dialogue stays identical to film. Same font, same margins and style. But at the end, it's helpful to include one more page called a series Bible or a series overview, even if it's just a paragraph or two. That is where you briefly explain what the show is actually about, what future episodes might cover, and how the story continues beyond the pilot. So while a TV pilot looks like a film script on the page, it's really just the beginning of something ongoing, designed to prove your world, your tone, and structure can last for many episodes. And that is how to format a TV pilot or a series script. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.